Right, so I just wanted to kind of make a short video on the Porsche sports exhaust. This is the 997 RetroFit valved sports exhaust, the official package that you get. It's kind of like a retro kit, so there's like a part number which I'll put in the description, hopefully on screen as well, where everything is included apart from the switch pack. So that if you haven't got the switch button, then you need to include that as well, but it's an add-on. So basically it's made by a company called Eisenman, who make these exhausts for Porsche. Now this is the left one, so I don't know if you can see the part number there. Not sure how well that can focus, but I'll put it in the description in any case. So that's the left sports exhaust. As you can see, we've got the valves there. This is the right. Again, you probably won't be able to see the part numbers there, but I'll show you the valve. And then we'll show you everything that is included in the boxes as well. So this one here, again, all part numbers will be in. You've got tailpipes, twin tailpipes. Again, it does say Eisenman on there. There's two of those, so I don't really need to show you the other one. That's the other one. And then you've got, in this box, clamps and fixings. So, and then in this box here we've got hoses, vacuum hoses, and some electrical wiring as well. So that's basically everything you get in the kit, but I bought this and it cost like I think it was like £3,500. Total, but I didn't need the switch pack because I already had it in my 997. Let me show you. Have I got the key on me? I think I have. So you'll need this button, or it might come as like more of an exhausty kind of image if you do get the switch pack add-on. The only reason you'd need that is because if you maybe haven't got the sports exhaust to start with, you need to take this out and put the new panel in, which has the button, and then is then fed through a vacuum line to the exhaust. But pretty much everything, like all I really need to do is, because I've got this installed, all I really need to do is just change the back boxes over, and then just replace the vacuum line, pull the vacuum line out of the exhaust, which is currently in, and then plug it into the new one. The vacuum line goes in there, if you can see where that black plug is. So like, if I can show you here, this should just slide off. It's not going to come off too easily, and I don't want to take it off just yet because I'm not fitting it yet. So I'm just going to leave that there. But yeah, I bought this because I put the Design Tech exhaust on that. That's the Design Tech exhaust, which is on. Well, it originally had the PSE, the official PSE, but it blew. It was just too old. It's a 20-year-old car, so I had to change it, and I went for the Design Tech, which was a bad move. So I put that on about 6 months ago. Not happy with it, and now I'm taking it off. And we're going to be putting on that sports exhaust, the official Porsche sports exhaust. That's the best sound, to be honest with you. Should have just went for this in the first place, but I was being a cheap ass, and I thought I'd save a bit of money by doing the Design Tech, which turns out to be a bad move in the long run. But there we go. So just really a box opening and show you exactly what's included in the RetroFit kit if you're thinking about getting it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.